We still have the same water on Earth as the dinosaurs drank. So it really connects us through different generations, but also across cultures, across borders. Hi, my name is Mario Diener. I'm the program leader of this year's ISTF. The ISTF is a very unique format that we have here in Switzerland. It's about bringing together young people from all over the world and to let them think about urgent challenges we face today as a society. Our participants come from 5 continents. I calculated that they speak at least 26 different languages. Half of them come from Switzerland and half of them from abroad. The central theme for this year's ISTF is Water, Elixir of Life. Water as an element is increasingly under pressure because of different reasons, because of climate change, because of pollution. We have billions of people still lacking access to clean water. The participants will work together in small teams and develop new solutions. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the opening of the 15th International Swiss Talent Forum. Dear participants, you arrived from every corner of the world. For some, the journey took not even 1 hour. For others, it took up to 40 hours of traveling just to be with us here today in this room. Please welcome on stage Ernst Brommeis. The first day is really about settling in, about getting to know each other, about building a team spirit. And then the challengers will join us and they will bring in a challenge that the participants are required to solve throughout the week.
My name is Dr. Jess MacArthur. I'm currently at AEVOG in the Sondeck department, which is a research center in Dubendorf. We focus on sanitation, water, and solid waste for development. So the challenge I'm posing is trying to bridge research and practice. So we often find that great ideas are stuck in labs and don't get to the people who need them. And so we're trying to find solutions to bridge these two.
So I'm Thiago. I work for Roche as a Sustainable Operations Enabler. I look after globally our water programs. So the challenge that we brought to the forum was how we increase access to water and sanitation to healthcare facilities.
My name is Michelle Lai. I work at Swiss Re, a reinsurance company, as a senior NatCat specialist. So my role and expertise is in natural catastrophe modeling. So my challenge this week is to explore how citizen data can improve flood resilience in our societies.
My name is Christian Moser. I work at IPI as a patent expert. My challenge is to prove that intellectual property is not boring legal stuff associated with unfairness, but rather interesting and a useful tool to make the world a better place.
My name's Eric Schnetzler. I've been working for the Geneva Water Hub for almost 3 years now on the intersection of water and peace. So our challenge is really all about elevating water for peace in the international arena. So it's all about reimagining how we can use water more as a catalyst for peace rather than a source of conflict in the international policy sphere. So our challenge in 3 words, I guess it would be, it's tough.
Bridging research practice.
Safe water, clean water, and reliable water for everyone.
Water, peace, and policy.
Flood resilience technology.
Harness IP to improve the water situation on a global scale. 9.
Com'è stata per te la settimana della ISTF?
La ISTF definitivamente me ha retado a pensar diferente.
Nimejifunza mengi na kukutana na watu mbalimbali duniani.
Világszerte rengeteg barátot szereztem, és nagyon örülök annak, hogy itt lehetek.
Den här veckan har varit något helt annorlunda.
C'est une semaine inspirante et fun et c'est un super espace de collaboration.
मेरा हफ्ता ज्ञान वितरक था.
Our solution provides a structured blueprint which enables NGOs to implement an internal department for iterative in-field validation. This allows to closely connect the research centers with the needs of the local communities, promoting the crucial bottom-up approach during the program implementation process.
We believe that everyone should have access to clean water. Through overall current NGO models, we will empower local founders in Brazil, letting the voice be heard and allowing them to solve the problem, providing research and expertise, enabling them to grow exponentially.
We've turned clams into living water alarms. Our one indicator reacts to heavy metal contamination and signals when a filtration system fails before unsafe water reaches patients.
As of today, 50% of healthcare facilities in LDCs face a shortage of basic clean water. We have developed a modular water storage system that guarantees resilient, uninterrupted access to clean water because no patient should ever have to suffer from a dry tap.
Flash floods show no mercy. Millions in vulnerable communities have just seconds to leave their lives behind. Where government and insurance fail, our Flash Flood Help Center steps in by providing early warning sensors, education, and scalable infrastructure. We turn local volunteers and school children into their own first responders.
Flash floods are deadly. With just 2 spray cans and a stencil, we create high visibility QR codes that instantly guide people to safety during floods.
We live in a time where people care deeply about making a difference. Our app allows people with disposable income fund both SDG 6 water technologies and patents. When these innovations succeed, returns flow back to donors, influencing both impact and influence.
Corporate investors could implement SDG 6 related patents. We designed a model to incentivize them. The wise use of marketing and water taxes could form a new profitable financial system for the patents. It fulfills the goals of the corporations, the patent owners, and the communities in need all together.
Water is life, water is peace. Yet its safety is ignored because it is not seen and prioritized. Our platform makes the silent water crisis visible through real stories and clear global data, while the direct donate channel make action simple.
We promote peace through water by turning scattered information into accessible knowledge that empowers people to make conscious and collaborative decisions to build up cooperation instead of conflict. The best part, all of this in one single platform.
Welcome to the final session of ISTF 2026.
Thank you for being curious throughout the week. Thank you for your honest teamwork across languages, cultures, and disciplines. And thank you for believing that change is possible, that ideas can become action, and action become impact. And thank you, lastly, for remembering that wherever you come from or wherever you go, we are all connected by water. I think every ISTF is somehow different, but this is my first ISTF as program leader. I'm very happy about the team, the teamwork. It went very smoothly. I wish that the ISTF participants remember that we are connected no matter where we come from, and that we have to work together to tackle all the challenges that we face today. For next year's ISTF, we welcome all participants who are willing to challenge their own assumptions, who are curious to learn. You can expect an intense week here in Switzerland, a week full of emotions, full of challenges that you need to overcome together with your team. We are already looking forward for the next edition and hopefully we see you there.